Hi friends, so I'm going to be making the chocolate mug cake. So for this recipe you're going to need a couple more ingredients, and you're also going to need a bigger mug for it as well. So the first thing I'm going to add is 1/4 of a cup of flour. I think so. Yes. Always make sure you read the recipe thoroughly before you get started, so you don't make a mistake. And next I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup white sugar. Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened. And I only have a 1/2 tablespoon measurement, so I'm going to do 2 of them, 4 of them to make 2 tablespoons.
Day 2, Day 3, Day 4.
Oh. Next, I need 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, as well as 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So I don't have 1/8 of a teaspoon measurement, so I'm just going to do a pinch of each. And do a little. It might be more than 1/8. Salt Bay action. There, and then for the baking soda as well. Now this is a huge container, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into my 1/2 cup measurement, just so I can get 1/8. There. Just a wee little sprinkle. Don't want too much. There. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of I'm going to do all my dry ingredients. So I'm going to add, I don't know why I'm incapable.
It's okay, you keep going. You're doing great.
So now I have all my dry ingredients in here. I'm going to mix in my wet ingredients, but first I'm going to give it a stir. So next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. I don't know where the milk is. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of water. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil and a splash of vanilla extract. Try to get it nice and even. And for this, we don't have butter with us today, but that is okay. Make it work. There. I'm pretty sure you can use butter or oil in these recipes. I don't think it really makes that much of a difference because it is just a microwave cake. It's not like a real cake. So like, get creative. Stay kind of on track. Okay, now that I have all of my ingredients in here, I'm going to mix it well and then put it in the microwave for about 1 and 45 seconds until the middle is cooked. That's the important part. So I'll see you when it's done.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So here is the finished product. It actually looks like cake. I personally am quite surprised. The middle is cooked. It is quite hot, so I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, it looks like cake.
Serena, read out what your mug says.
Oh, You are amazing. Remember that.
Aww.
It was a gift from my mom.
Aww.
It's not bad.
Is it good?
Like, I would eat it. Like, I would, if I was craving chocolate cake, I would definitely make it. It kind of has more of the consistency of a brownie than it does a chocolate cake because it's not as fluffy. But it's still really good. I think I would eat it with like some ice cream or maybe like some bananas cut into it. I think would be pretty good.
Strawberry syrup.
Ew, no.
On top?
That'd
Yeah.
be disgusting.
Oh, wow.
You are amazing. Remember that.